Period. Y'all see this beat? No filter, nothing. Period. Hey my girlies, so welcome back. In today's video, as you guys can see, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on my little sister. She let me do her makeup for content. And if you're new here and you watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys be watching, but you don't be subscribing. I really appreciate it if you subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button. It's just so easy. And if you're a return subscriber, hey to you, girly, and thanks for interacting with me and comment on my videos. So we're just going to get right into this video.
I can't keep no conflict with you, boy. Can we just roll out? I don't want no standing with you. You know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit. No, I've been out, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Every other missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been out, baby. Lost in the line first. Lost, ain't no finding us. I've been out, baby. If you wonder if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. Missionary getting boring, keep his positions. Hard to say your soul, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been out, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Every other missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been out, baby. Lost in the line first. Lost, ain't no finding us. I've been out, baby. If you wonder if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like order, I carry out arguments, you every.
This Anastasia eyeliner is so good. This literally all I've been using since I got my hands on this. It glides so good on the eyelid. I still love my Wet n Wild one, but I literally only use this now. It dries up quick once you place it on the eye. It gets very matte, which I love too. It's $20, but it's worth it to me.
Finding us, I've been out, baby. If you wonder if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used
As I mentioned in one of my videos before, to get the perfect cut crease is using a Q-tip and Vaseline. People always ask why you use Vaseline, because you're taking the eyeshadow that you used before, you taking that off so you can have the perfect base. So using that with the P. Louise base, chef kiss. Love all three combination is going to give you the perfect cut crease, guys. As you guys can see, the left eye is looking sharp over there. Cut. Period.
And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how.
Also forgot to mention, you definitely have to have a good flat brush to also get the perfect crease you want. I got this off Amazon and I'll link it in my description box.
And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Was that enough, baby? Baby.
You know that's true.
Yeah.
I pretty much wait on you, pretty much wait on you.
Bless up. There's some bad out there that I really wanna sex up. They'll probably only let me cause I'm next up. Got me feeling like a nigga now, yes sir. Running through and looking for a down. It's like looking for them hitters on SoundClick. Hoping someone else ain't already killed it. Waiting for real, you exclusive, I found it. Baby say it's true. I don't wanna have to wait on you. These are things I gotta say to you. Make me feel irreplaceable, baby, cause I can't call it. With other niggas, I won't even bother. Young Papa, tell them who taught you. Let me put my stamp on it, let me cry about them. Other niggas out the picture, I say, mother niggas, won't you say it with me? Hey. My homeboy left the crib, tell me, baby, you should stay with me. For as long as I'm here, baby, that's okay with me. For as long as you want, baby, that's okay with me. For as long as you want, baby, that's okay with me. How does it sound? Kid girl, come spend the night with me. Say whatever, just don't lie to me. Stepping out, no, I want you on the side of me. Mama, you could come work full time with me. Roll through in the beam and get inside till the wheels fall off. That's how long you can ride with me. Yeah, that's word to Stephen Garrett, come ride with me. Yeah. Whoa, say it one more time for you. These are things I gotta say to you. Make me feel irreplaceable. Yeah. Was that enough, baby? Baby.
You know that's true.
Yeah.
I pretty much wait on you, pretty much wait on you.
Bless up. There's some bad out there that I really wanna sex up. They'll probably only let me cause I'm next up. Got me feeling like a nigga now, yes sir. Running through and looking for a down. It's like looking for them hitters on SoundClick. Hoping someone else ain't already killed it. Waiting for real, you exclusive, I found it. Baby say it's true. I don't wanna have to wait on you. These are things I gotta say to you. Make me feel irreplaceable, baby, cause I can't call it. With other niggas, I won't even bother. Young Papa, tell them who taught you. Let me put my stamp on it, let me cry about them. Other niggas out the picture, I say, mother niggas, won't you say it with me? Hey. My homeboy left the crib, tell me, baby, you should stay with me. For as long as I'm here, baby, that's okay with me. For as long as you want, baby, that's okay with me. For as long as you want, baby, that's okay with me. How does it sound? Sound? Yeah, girl, come spend the night with me. Say whatever, just don't lie to me. Stepping out, no, I want you on the side of me. Mama, you could come work full time with me. Roll through in the beam and get inside till the wheels fall off. That's how long you can ride with me. Yeah, that's worth it. Stephen Garrett, come ride with me. Yeah. Whoa, say it one more time for you. These are things I gotta say to you. Make me feel the real place of boo. Yeah, yeah.
My camera had stopped recording and I had to continue to record again, and I never had zoomed it in, so that's why she's a little far back, but not too far back. You still can see what I'm doing. It still look good, but I just wanted to update you guys on that part. All right, girlies, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on my makeup page at Exotic Looks by Nisha, and also follow me on my personal account, shebeyond_bad. I'll have them linked in my description box. Peace.